pull all the leeches off. She's like, what are you going to do to me, Dad? This is a great adventure. It's nice to not feel like I've got a hangover on the first day of the year. I know a lot of you will. So I've got to walk 7 Ks to finish my holiday 100. Do up blisters. Go do the end of my holiday 100. I love this song. I'm so excited, yeah. I had to start the year with a jumping for joy, right? This is my local beach called Margate Beach in Queensland, Australia. So this sexy beast strutting his stuff. Those bikes. How funny they'd be like, what the hell is she doing? Posing. Go Gabby! Woohoo! Happy New Year! Finishing off my holiday 100. Putting some water on my blisters. And a bit of earthing. And just like that, she walked 100 Ks over Christmas Eve to New Year's Day. Woohoo! Having a cup of tea with my friend Gabriella. Hello, bad girl. She's like, what are you going to do to me, Dad? She's so cute. Oh, oh, pull back. Bubba. Oh, poor little thing. Diera's favourite chicken, Batgirl, is Clucky. So my mum is showing us how to maybe fix this. Yeah, she is really pretty. She's like, what are you doing? No animals are hurt while filming this video. Another chicken is also Clucky. Look at her, she looks like a skanky chicken. I do oil pulling most mornings, plus an apple cider concoction, some boxing, patting quail before I go to work. Waterfalls, yeah, waterfall chasing, don't cry. How's the waterfall song go? Waterfall, waterfall. All right, let's go. How beautiful is this? So Kat, what are we doing today? Alibana.
Yeah.
Okay, Alibana Falls. Waterfall, waterfall. Me, scared of climbing up here. Not the end of the track. Okay, good. Wow. The spray feels so... It's like toner. Are we there yet? Look at the tree. No, we're not there yet. I don't know how much further. I'm starving. Woohoo!
Another walk. Done.
Hike 2 done. Whew. Danger. Grahaha. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, Moran Falls. Snap. 19.5 Ks. That's a lot. Had a sauna, a cold plunge, spa, cold plunge, shower. How do you feel?
Oh, so rejuvenating.
Yes, floating on a cloud.
Yeah, but it was such a good idea.
Next day, another hike, and we want to see these blue claw crabs. Naturally, I had to do a jumping for joy to start the day. Tuluna ready. Kat, are you excited to see more waterfalls today? Yeah, so I'm looking forward to it. Waterfall chasing.
It's what we're after.
So this is officially hike 4. Okay, so we've got a bit of a landslide. So we have to get up here. All right, let's put the phone away. All right, this is the what the fuck area. Kat's going to go in that way. Yep. Okay.
Probably pretty much hug this tree if I was you.
Yep, hug the tree. Oh my God, Kat. They look fake. Holy shit. Kat, we saw one.
Oh, yes. We saw.
I collected myself on that rock. Awesome. And look. Go hiking, they said. It'll be fun. It is. Some more little waterfalls down there. Beautiful. This is why I take so many videos. It's too beautiful. Whew. at this. Beautiful. Put these off. Okay, get that off. That on. That's off. Yeah, let's just get out of here first. Okay, let's get up here and then we'll pull all the leeches off. Wow. Nah, can't stay too long here because there is leeches everywhere. Jalan Falls. Right, leeches off our feet. There's one that just came off Cat. Have you got some? Oh yeah, there's one on your foot there, right next to you there. Look at that. See, they just there.
I've got heads, I've got them all over me. Shit. I've got them all over me. I can't stay here.
Look at this. Where are we? Those kids went, it's a rubbery bridge.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, rubbery. Woohoo. Here comes Cat. She's climbing like she's a cat. Cat,
Yes.
we're on
Hey.
top of the world.
We sure are.
Woohoo. Down, down to funky town. High five, Cat.
Okay. You just go back down the road you came. Take the first left turn.
Feel good. Na 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 na. I knew that I would. Na 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 na. Feels good. Real good. We want to put one of these in our house. Diego's really keen. I'm keen. And we're going to do a cold plunge too. Writing my postcards. I've got one done. Got a few to go. So that was Pipe and Rock Walk. That's my last hike here. Quack quack, ducks in a row. Bigger drama queen. Just drink it fast.
I can't.
Quick, go. Just skull. Skull, 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 skull.
Can't skull it.
Why?
Have you seen it?
You'll notice Diego in the water trying to mimic me. Ready? Let's try that one more time. 2, 3. Haha, that's awesome. Home is where the heart is. I got some hanging pot plants with 2 little bases. Free on the side of the road. Fresh is best, naturally. Adding a new thing to my morning routine. Radio roulette time. Kind of like this time in the morning. Alright, radio. Shake it out! Yeah! Shake it so. I was just going back to pick up the bit that I left. Yay! Alright, chin up, tits up. 60 we're on. 62, 63. 63 squats to represent the 63 people that decided I want to be here this week. One being my friend Esther. We all know this. You know I'm not going to stop doing this. Mental health is here. Many people around us are suffering from mental health. We need to support our friends and family. They're still clucky. He's literally sitting on each other. What's going on? You guys, come on. You little bat girl. Yeah, you're cutie. You are very cute. Hey, Blackie. Hey, little Blackie. You got your little egg. Green, it's like green. Hey, little Blackie. Our little blind chicken. Poor thing. There's a chicken under that chicken.
To my madness, if one string breaks, there's another one there. So I let my choco vine go nuts up here just for an experiment to see how crazy it would go. And it's gone crazy. But I haven't had any chocos grow up here yet. But anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to stir fry them. Let's cut off the ends. Let's stir fry this.
Friends thought I was on holidays here.
My 7.5 Ks. Tick. Squat. 61. 62. 63. 63 squats to represent the 63 people that decide they don't want to be here this week, and I get that. The world is filled with many reasons, but there's also many reasons to be here too. So I do the 63 squats because that represents 63 people that the average pass away weekly here in Australia, which is a huge number. So again, reach out, tell people how much they feel, how much you appreciate them, because tomorrow's not guaranteed for any of us. If no one told you today, I appreciate you. You're amazing. Look at the mother's meeting. Are you talking to little quail? Little grey. Hello, little grey. You saying hello to quail? Here, we take off the dead ones. Dead leaves. We don't want to water dead leaves. Let's say hello to Blackie. Oh, hey Blackie. Hey darling. Hey little girl. Hey little girl. Yeah. Hello. Oh, it's alright. Unfortunately she's in here because she's blind. No darling, you can't get out. The chickens jump on top of you, unfortunately. I'm just trying to fix up your ramp. She doesn't like to jump, obviously because she's blind, but she can get up the ramp. And she knows where her food is. You know where your water is, don't you? Hey little Blackie, you're very beautiful, aren't you? Say hello. And say hello to little Quail. Quail's got a little forest in here, haven't you? Hello. Hear the noises? Hello, darling. We love you too. Oh, why's there an egg out here? That's weird. Drop an egg out here. Oh, how do I get in there? Oh. Normally they're just over there. See the eggs? What would you drop an egg out here for? It's weird. Okay, let's get in there. Oh, hello, little Quail. We'll get a little selfie together. Oh, a little quail selfie. Oh my gosh. Hello. Yeah. Alright, let's get in here. Climbing literally into the crate. Okay. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to get in there, darling. She's so cute. Bye, Quail. Bye-bye. Thank you for your eggs. Thank you. Okay. Oh, let's get out of here. DJ to my list, DJ Sash. You have my heart. I just went back in time, back in that moment. It was really good. I guess that's what music's about, isn't it? You know, taking you back to a moment in time.
Some great memories. Really? Oh, love the little sign.
Runs into it and
Yeah. Oh, wow.
that's how they used to.
Back over it. It's so rickety. It's really cool. This is a great adventure.
Come on.
My lunch spot. Looking up high to see if we can see any koalas. Don't know if that is a koala because I don't know, it doesn't look like, I don't know. And this is not normally like a tree that they climb. What is the likelihood that I will see a platypus this afternoon? Is it 50-50? Watch and be patient. Things that I don't see very often. Beautiful sky, sun coming through. Just I hear the water running over that way. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh, we could just flip it around and be patient. And we're gonna dance, 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 and dancing, 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 dancing. It's a bit hard to hold the camera and dance, 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 dancing, 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 dancing. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Did we see something? Nope. Patience when you're looking for platypus. I haven't even seen a turtle, but I saw a pretty lizard. That's wildlife. Oh, I see a little baby one, look. Little baby. Oh my God. It's exactly 6:03. Where is the platypus? We saw him twice. And I got it on video. But you know, it's more about seeing with your eyes, eh? There he is there. Guess what I'm up to? So yeah, it is snake season, so you gotta be careful. Just taking a still on my thumbnail. Posing. So it really is quite beautiful here. Oh, a little dragonfly. See that? Little dragonfly. Oh. Just stunning, isn't it? So yeah, gotta be careful coming through here. It's a bit of long grass. It's obviously a well-walked track. So that was Dora's month of January 2025, and I must say, even editing this, I'm like, wow, that's a really good month. I've got lots of stuff to post there. I need to edit it and then, you know, eventually get it out on the YouTube. But, you know, if I don't, I have this short version here for my memories, and hopefully you enjoyed it too. Catch ya!